Hi guys, welcome back to Genius Creations. Guys, look where I am. I'm between my agriculture. It's so pretty and my voice is a little bit changed because I have a cold because of this chilly weather. It's chilly weather now. I'm so happy. Finally December came. It's Christmas as well, so I cannot wait. So today I'll be telling you a 6th standard Hindi poem. The name of the poem is Gandhi Ji Ke Chadi. Gandhi Ji stick. So, do you guys know who Gandhi Ji is? He is the father of nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He fought for our country and bought independence. And do you guys know who Jawaharlal Nehru is? He was born in 14th November, which is celebrated as Children's Day. Hopefully your Children's Day was also very good. And he was the first Prime Minister of India. He was the Prime Minister for 17 years. Okay, so today I'll be telling you a conversation between Gandhiji and Jawaharlal in the poem form. So let's get started. एक बार की बात गए जब गांधी जी के पास जवाहरलाल। गड़ी थी रात की कुटिया में कौन में नन्हा दीप था। अंधियारी में दिखी ना लाठी पंडित जी को गांधी जी के हाथ की। और पास उनके पहुँचे इस द्वारा में वे बेचारे लाठी में ठकरा गए। बहुत नहीं लेकिन तोड़े लड़खड़ाकर कुछ गुस्से में आए, कुछ घबरा गए। तोड़े को जलाकर बोले आप तो प्रेम अहिंसा के हामी है। फिर भला 5 हाथ का इतना मोटा लठ या रहता है किस लिए बगल में डाला। गांधी जी मुस्कुरा उठे उस क्रोध पर, बोले तुम ही बताओ तुमसे उद्यमी लड़कों में क्या आसपास मेरे कमी। उन्हें ठीक रख सकूं इसी में ध्यान से रखता है हूँ मैं लंबी मोटी यह चढ़ी। सुनकर हंसे जवाहर बाप भी हंसे, दमक उठी दोने की निर्मल हंसी में। अंधकार मेरे भरी रात की वह घड़ी। So this is the poem. So the meaning of this poem is Gandhiji was sitting in a small hut. Okay, there was a small deep, a lantern. It was dim, like you could not see much. His stick was in the side. One day Jawaharlal came to visit him. Okay, he was going through the rooms and like the stick got in his way. He got angry and like got irritated. Okay, so we asked with Gandhiji, why do you have this handful stick? You're a non-violence man, then why do you have the stick? So you know what Gandhiji replied? He told that, many like non-disciplined kids, I take them to scare them away so they will be disciplined. Okay, and someone like you, we should knock some sense into them. Okay, so they both laughed at their conversation and the room was bright with their laughter. They were very happy. So this is the meaning of this poem. And this poem is written by Bhavani Prasad Mishra. So I hope you guys like the poem. So this is all for today. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to press like button and subscribe. And comment down below if you want more interesting videos. Bye guys. Woo!